In this video, you'll learn how to book office cleaning services through Wecasa. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to ensure your office is cleaned efficiently and meets your specific needs. To begin, open your web browser and visit www.wecasa.co.uk, or if you prefer, launch the Wecasa app on your device. Once the home page loads, you'll see an option for various services provided by Wecasa. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Next, navigate to the cleaning services section. If you are using the app, look for the menu icon, typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Select cleaning services from the list. On the website, you will find the cleaning services option prominently displayed on the main page. Click on it to proceed. After selecting cleaning services, you will be prompted to fill in your office address. This is essential for the cleaner to know where to go. Enter the complete address in the designated fields. Following that, specify your availability by selecting the dates and times that work best for you. Keep in mind that you need to book at least 2 hours before your desired appointment time to ensure availability. In the next section, you will need to indicate the service duration. The minimum duration for office cleaning is 2 hours, so ensure that you select this or a longer duration as needed. This step is crucial because it allows the cleaning professional to allocate enough time to complete the tasks effectively. Once you have entered the address, availability and service duration, look for a comment section. This is where you can add any specific office cleaning requirements. Clearly specify your needs, such as whether you require carpet cleaning, window washing, or any other specialized tasks. It is important to communicate these details to ensure the professional comes prepared for office-specific cleaning. Additionally, you can communicate further instructions to your assigned professional via the chat feature within the app or website. After booking, this allows for a smooth exchange of information and ensures that all your cleaning preferences are understood. Remember, all prices include the professional's equipment and travel expenses, which can simplify the booking process. After reviewing all the details, confirm your booking and wait for a confirmation message to ensure everything is set. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.